Tired of wrestling with inconsistent API docs that waste hours of your day? Manual open API specs lead to version chaos, broken examples, and missed deadlines. But what if your documentation could auto-magically stay in sync with your code? The API Docs Generator Pack delivers OpenAPI 3.0 spec generation with Swagger UI integration, automatic code-to-docs synchronization via AST parsing, interactive example testing with Postman-like runner, and Git-based version tracking that ties commits to spec changes. This isn't just documentation, it's your new secret weapon against works on my machine madness. For Python, Django devs, Node.js REST APIs, or Kubernetes operators, if you touch APIs, this pack slashes your doc debt by 80%. Here's what's inside the API Documentation Generator Pack. OpenAPI schema generation with TypeScript interface inference. Example testing phase using Jest-powered mock servers. Git history analysis that diffs spec changes across branches. Code annotation parser supporting Swagger.js and Spring Doc comments. Version compatibility matrix for OpenAPI 3.0 versus 3.1 requirements. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool. It's your API Doc's new CI/CD pipeline. Installing the API Documentation Generator Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add API-docs-generator-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: schema generator binaries, test runner configs, Git hooks, and version diffing tools. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant will auto-suggest open API annotations as you type, validate specs in real time, and generate test cases from your doc comments. Warning: side effects include sudden urges to refactor legacy docs and unexplained happiness during sprint planning. Docs this good shouldn't feel this easy, but here we are.